Are you tired of spending hours writing cold emails that get ignored? Struggling to keep up with sales calls and follow-ups? What if I told you there's an AI sales agent that never sleeps, never takes a break, and can handle all of your sales tasks 24/7? Meet Milli, the AI sales strategist from Sintra AI, that's revolutionizing how businesses handle sales automation. Sintra markets itself as helpers that never sleep, and that's exactly what you get. Milli isn't just another chatbot. She's a fully customized AI sales agent trained on over 10,000 data points and powered by the latest language models like Claude 3.5 and GPT-4. Here's exactly what makes Milli incredible. She generates cold emails that actually convert. She writes discovery call scripts tailored to your prospects. She creates closing scripts that help you seal the deal. She drafts professional proposals in minutes, not hours. She develops comprehensive sales strategies for your business. She even provides negotiation tactics and motivational messaging to boost your team's morale. And just for $39 per month, you get unlimited usage. No caps on messages, no restrictions on how much you can use her. That's less than what you would pay for a single sales training course. But instead, you get a full-time AI sales strategist. The setup is incredibly simple. You customize Milli's brain to match your tone, your audience, and your business style. She learns your company just like the real team member would. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, Milli is always available through Sintra's intuitive drag-and-drop interface. But Milli doesn't work in isolation. She integrates seamlessly with tools you already use: Slack, Notion, Google Drive, HubSpot, Airtable, Gmail. Your entire sales workflow becomes automated and connected. The results speak for themselves. Over 10,000 businesses are already using Sintra's AI helpers. They're seeing increased response rates on cold emails, shorter sales cycles, and more consistent follow-up processes. Now, Sintra isn't the only one AI sales agent in the market. There are a lot more that are perhaps better than Sintra. That's why I suggest you take a look at this video where I compare different AI SDRs to see which one will come out at top.